Artwork fly.
Today we're going to use fork, wax and knife to create pattern and textures. The fork in mixed media painting can be used to create scary sceneries. It can represent a claw, a bloody scenery, or adding a bit more textures and shapes. And here are some examples. All you have to do is dip the fork in the paint and do it your way. This is called the wax resist. All you have to do is to use the wax to draw something on a piece of paper, then paint over it. Whatever you draw will leave white. And here are a few examples and demonstrations. This one here is called the sgraffito. What you need to do is to add water to the surface, then add a wash of any paint color that you want, or any mixture of any paint color. Then you take a sharp object and draw the image that you want or the design that you want. This one is too easy. Here are a few examples. And that's art in under 5 minutes. Happy painting, and I'll see you in the next one. Artwork fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.